Imagine the stock market, a landscape where fortunes are made, yet 90% of investors could face a crash before achieving success. Why do they fail? Because many plunge in without understanding the rules, led by myths of easy success. Today, we dismantle these misconceptions and arm you with the knowledge needed to prevail. The real question is, are you ready to challenge the norm? By the end of this documentary, you'll unlock a strategy that the top 1% of investors hold dear. You'll learn how to navigate market volatility, understand crucial investment metrics, and identify potential stocks before they become mainstream. Stay with us, and this journey to financial acumen could completely transform your future profit landscape. Let's embark on this journey with a basic yet powerful concept: the importance of setting financial goals. Whether it's achieving early retirement or buying your dream home, clear financial objectives give your investments purpose. By aligning your investments to these goals, you turn the stock market from a daunting trap into a deliberate path toward financial success. Next, we address risk tolerance. Start by assessing how much volatility you can bear. This introspective exercise helps you choose investments within your comfort zone, mitigating the risk of a debilitating financial crash. Remember, calculated risk is the bedrock of successful investing, not reckless gambling. Diversification remains a core principle of risk management. Exposing your portfolio to a mix of asset classes like stocks, bonds, and real estate ensures you're not relying on a single source for cash influx. Diversification isn't just a strategy, it's essential insurance against catastrophic missteps. Education is your most powerful ally. Dive deep into stock analysis, market trends, and economic indicators. Understanding the difference between companies with momentum and those poised for long-term growth prevents you from hopping on just any flashy trend, potentially leading to stable profits. Whether you're a fan of value investing or prefer the thrill of growth stocks, remember the power of patience. Adopting a buy and hold strategy can weather short-term volatilities, allowing your investments to compound over time, transforming initial losses into substantial gains. Now, if you're gaining value here, hit that like button and comment your thoughts so far. Your engagement helps make our financial community stronger and keeps more content like this coming your way. Pause, wait. Let's freeze frame for a second. If you don't get this part, the rest makes no sense. We mapped this out in our previous video, check it out later. Now, back to reality. It's crucial to recognize the emotional effects of market cycles to avoid being swept away by the tides of fear and greed. Monitoring your emotional discipline during turbulent times pays dividends. Fear can lead to premature selling, while unchecked greed results in buying at market peaks. An investor disciplined against emotional biases will likely see a reward in the form of consistent profits. To employ your newfound skills, consider leveraging digital tools. Many apps offer real-time market data and stock research. Integrating this technology transforms conventional investing into a more efficient process. These platforms are invaluable allies in your quest for growth. As you evolve in your journey, keep an ear to the ground for emerging industries and innovative technologies. Early investments in burgeoning sectors like renewable energy or AI can result in substantial financial gain, diversifying your portfolio's risk and reward balance. Regularly reviewing and rebalancing your portfolio is crucial. Markets change, and so should your approach. Align your investments with your evolving financial goals and risk tolerance. This practice ensures continuous flow of returns, guarding against stagnation or declines. Thank you for journeying with us through the intricacies of stock market investing. Remember, each step taken is a step closer toward financial independence. Equip yourself with determination, education, and strategic planning. Financial success isn't a sprint, it's a marathon. Subscribe to our channel to unlock the secrets of financial growth, and don't forget to click the link in the description for your ultimate money guide. With the right guidance, you hold the power to transform your financial future beyond the realm of imagination.